Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting episode of 33 Flowers. I'm Emma.
And I'm Norman, coming at you live from the studio. Oh, Emma, we have such a special episode for our listeners today.
Yes, we do. It's going to be extremely useful, especially if you have ever felt a bit stuck with your English.
That's right. We are leveling up your everyday English phrases. We're talking about going from basic to, wait for it, super advanced.
Exactly. We want to help you sound more natural in no time.
Oh, trust me, I need this too. Sometimes I feel like my English is just way too simple. Like, I sound like a robot.
Hey, simple is great. It's correct and people understand you. But today, we want to give you some amazing new options.
Oh, like a language toolkit. You just grab the tool you need.
Yes, exactly. A vocabulary toolkit. Let's build it together.
Ooh, this is awesome. So, where do we start, boss? What is our first situation?
Let's start with something we all do. Ordering food. Imagine you're at a busy burger restaurant.
Okay. Level 1, the absolute basic. I want a burger.
Perfect! Simple, direct, and the waiter understands you completely.
But let's be honest, it feels a little bit blunt. How can we make it sound better?
Let's step it up. What is level 2, Norman?
Okay, how about I would like a burger?
Yes, perfect. That is level 2. It's much softer.
Level 2, baby! We are moving up!
Yes, we are. Today, we have 4 levels. Level 1 is basic, and level 4 is super advanced.
I love this game. Bring on level 3!
Okay, level 3 has a little magic word. Listen. I'd like a burger, please.
I'd like a burger, please. The contraction I'd makes it sound so smooth.
Yes, it does. And adding please makes it so much more polite.
I am ready. What is the ultimate level 4?
Triumphant tone. Level 4 is, could I have a burger, please?
Could I have a burger, please? Wow, that sounds incredibly natural and polite.
It really is. You sound like a native speaker when you use could I have.
So the secret recipe is just using could and please?
Yes, but it's also about your tone. You have to say it with a warm smile.
Absolutely. Let's do a quick fire review of all 4 levels.
Level 1, I want a burger. Level 3, I'd like a burger, please.
And level 4, could I have a burger, please?
Perfect! You nailed it, Norman.
Wow, that is 4 completely different levels for just one simple sentence.
Yes, and here is the best part. You can use this exact structure for almost anything you want to buy.
Really? Give me some examples, Emma.
Well, if you want a coffee, level 1 is I want a coffee. But level 4 is could I have a coffee, please?
Oh, so I want a tea easily becomes could I have a tea, please?
Exactly! You see, the structure is always the same.
That is actually so easy. I love it.
Right? Because you are just learning a simple formula. It works every single time.
Okay, I am ready for the next challenge. What is our next phrase?
Let's do it. Next up, we have expressing opinions.
Okay, level 1, very basic. I like this movie.
Yes, level 1. Classic and simple. Now, how about level 2? We add a little booster word. I really like this movie.
Ah, really? That adds some passion. What about level 3?
For level 3, we can share our thoughts. I think this movie is great.
Nice. And the ultimate level 4?
Level 4? In my opinion, this movie is fantastic.
Oh, wow, that sounds incredibly professional and advanced.
It really does. That's because you are using strong opinion phrases instead of just I like. And fantastic is so much stronger than just good or nice. Absolutely. Using stronger, more descriptive words makes you sound so much more fluent. It's like magic for your English.